AnyTrans iPhone tutorial. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, type in AnyTrans or access the websites in your search engine, and then click on the website. Download it for free for your desktop, or you can scan the QR code if you would like. Once you go through all of the download and click all the options necessary, you should be given this screen. Click on Device Manager, and if you would like to back up an application, click on Apps. Locate an app that you would like to back up to your PC if you would like. This is good because if you lose any of your applications on your iPhone or smartphone device, you can back it up directly by downloading the app. I'm going to click on this app right here, Paylocity, and I'm going to click this to PC or download. Locate where you would like to download this, and as you can see, it's transferring this application or it's downloading it onto your PC device. And here's the application. Now you will have a trial version. It's only 3 days. As you can see, these are the remaining things that you can do with AnyTrans. You can activate or buy now. If you would like to back up any other things such as books, audiobooks, podcasts, ringtones, voice memos or audio recordings, contacts, calendars, the list goes on. You can do the exact same thing that I just showed you on how to do it with music. And as you can see, you can upload or export as many iPhone smartphone applications that you would like. Next, I'm going to show you how you can load these apps on your iPhone smartphone device through and with AnyTrans. Okay, so step 1 is to plug in your iPhone or Apple Smart device. Step number 2 is to open up AnyTrans. As you can see that my iPhone device has been detected. The next step is to scroll down and click App Downloader. Make sure that this is under the name that you would like to download. And you see we have 2 applications that are saved. So once App Downloader has been tapped, you want to click Add, because we're basically going to add an application onto AnyTrans. Choose one of the applications that you would like to add. And once the IPA has been loaded, click and then click on Install to download onto your device. Continue trial. And as you can see, you have successfully just downloaded an iPhone application using AnyTrans. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel for more content.